Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT 2 Pro, and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required to download something, obviously, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. So after making sure that you've got the connection, just enter the Play Store, and of course you will have to sign in. So just do it and then tap on this circle in the right upper corner, which is simply your account. Now let's tap on Manage Apps and Device and enter Manage, and something went wrong, so let's try again. And as you can see, here we've got the list of apps which are currently installed on this device, and in order to check the updates, we have to tap on Updates Available. And as you can see, in my case, I've got 25 available updates. So all we have to do is to simply find the app which we want to update, the update which we want to download actually, and mark it. So let me pick, for example, Google Chrome and maybe the Gmail. So as you can see, you can mark only one of those apps, or two or three of them, how much you want to. And if you're ready, just tap on this. I've accidentally picked Facebook also. So all you have to do is to simply tap on this update icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see, those updates will be downloaded, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. So basically you do not really need to do anything manually. So actually this is it. This is how to update apps in your REALME GT 2 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.